You are going to love the 2021 Silverado 3500HD. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.6-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, fog lights, chrome mirror caps, 4-wheel disc brakes, engine block heater. Inside you'll find navigation system, technology package, heated steering wheel, HD radio, ventilated front seats, heated front seats, steering wheel audio controls, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.